4th graders. I hope you're ready for your week 9 spelling test. Make sure you have numbered your paper 1 through 22 down the left side and that you're ready. Remember that if I'm going too fast, you can stop at every word by simply hitting the space bar to pause me and hitting the space bar again to start me back up again. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let me see if I can make myself just a little bigger so you can, oops. Oh, apparently not. Oh, there we go. Okay, so number 1, 20 is the word. More than 20 students boarded the bus. 20. Number 2, shopping. My parents went shopping for a new sofa. Shopping. Number 3, fight. Male elephant seals fight over territory. Fight. Number 5, ice. I like ice in my water. Ice. Number 6, decide. The umpire will decide whether the pitch is a strike. Decide. Number 7, birth. I weighed 8 pounds at birth. Birth. Number 8, all right. Are you all right? All right. Number 9, shy. Lemurs are shy, quiet animals. Shy. Number 10, type. Which type of mushroom is that? Type. Or do you type your paper before you turn it in, right? Type. Number 11, fright. The haunted house gave me a fright. Fright. Number 12, size. What size is your dog? Size. Number 13, return. I need to return this book to the library. Return. Number 14, science. I enjoy studying about solar energy in science class. Science. Number 15, further. She went further in the lesson than the teacher asked. Further. Number 16, strike. Will you strike the match and light the candle? Strike. It's the same kind of strike in baseball. Number 17, behind. I sat behind my friend on the bus. Behind. Number 18, among. He was happy because he was among friends. Among. Number 19, beyond. Don't walk beyond the barrier. Beyond. Number 20, clear. It was a clear day with no clouds in the sky. Clear. Number 21, mighty. The mighty oak is a beautiful tree. Mighty. And the last one, number 22, handsome. She received a handsome award for finding my dog. Handsome. And now if you'll pause your video and check over your words, you can back the video up if you wish, so you can see if you might have missed something. And I'm going to go ahead and share the key with you now. All right, I'm going to go away. 20 is our first word. Let me get a highlighter or a pen from down here. Oops, there we go. There it is. 20, there's 20, W-E-N-T, the long E spelled with Y, shopping. We're going to double that P. There's our short O sound, followed by one consonant, double the consonant, add ing. Fight, we have the long I sound spelled I-G-H. Whether, we have the W-H because it's whether you like this or you like that. We have the sound at the end. Ice, we have the long I sound consonant, which in this case is a C, and the silent E at the end. Decide, here's where we break this syllable. Decide, long I, consonant, silent E. Birth, the is spelled IR in the word birth, and then we have the TH consonant digraph at the end there. All right, remember, I hope you remember that's 2 words, all, and then right, spelled the long I sound is spelled IGH. Shy, long I sound spelled Y in a 1-syllable word. Type, sometimes we find the long I sound spelled with a Y in the middle of a short word. Fright, we have the IGH, same as fight if you get these 2 correct, right? Because they are rhyming words. They end in IGHT. Size, we have the long I, and then consonant, in this case, it's a Z and the silent E. Return, here's our first syllable, re. Some people say return, which would be a schwa, spelled with an E, and that's okay too. Is spelled UR in return. Science, if you remember, I told you this is a long open syllable, long I with an open syllable psi. And then ence is a nice little ending we need to learn to spell anyway, E-N-C-E. The E makes the C say this sound. Further, here's our sound in the first syllable, spelled UR, sound in the second syllable, spelled ER. Strike, we have the long I, consonant is K in this case, silent E. Remember, STR, 3 consonants in a row. Behind, we have the schwa being spelled with an E, behind or behind. And then long I, eind, kind, find. Among, here's our syllable break here. The A is, the schwa is being spelled with an A, ong like ing, but with an O that time. Beyond, there's our first syllable, yond, Y-O-N-D. Clear, the long E sound is being spelled E-A there. And mighty, here's I-G-H for our long I sound in the middle. And long E sound, because it's a 2-syllable word, mighty there, T-E. Handsome, this is a tough one because we don't really hear the D in handsome. And we don't say handsome. So this is a tough word. Hopefully you did pretty well with that one. That is the end of your spelling test for this week. Make sure you write the number you got correct over 22 at the top of the page. Take a picture, turn it into Seesaw, into your teacher. Thanks, and I will see you next week.